Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 3, operations on the large numbers, and it is our revision lecture 2. Today's subtopics are properties of multiplication and division and word problems of multiplication and division. In previous revision lecture, we have done addition and subtraction, and now we will do multiplication and division of chapter 3. Let's start with our topic properties of multiplication. First property is the product of two whole numbers is a whole number. दो होल नंबर का प्रोडक्ट होल नंबर ही होता है. होल नंबर, you know that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are whole numbers. So, say this example, 2 multiply 5, 10. So, these are 2 and 5 are whole numbers and the product 10 is also a whole number. This is known as closure property. Next is the product of 2 or 3 numbers does not change while the order of the numbers multiplied is changed. अगर हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन के नंबर्स जो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं उनका ऑर्डर चेंज कर देते हैं, then product will not change. See there, 5 into 6 is equal to 6 into 5. This is known as commutative property. 11 into 16 into 17, that is 11. Now what we have done, pairing was 11 into 16. We have done 11 multiply, pairing is changed, 16 into 17. But the product will remain same. This is known as associative property of multiplication. Next, third property, the product of 1 and any number is the number itself. When we multiply any number with 1, we will get the number itself. For example, 17 multiply 1 is equal to 17. Next property is here, the product of 0 and any number is 0. When we multiply any number with 0, we will get always 0. See this example, 54 multiply 0 is equal to 0. These are very common properties which you use in your fill-ups and in your questions. Next is distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Distributive property. 18 plus 15 multiply 5. Now see here, plus is here and 18 and 15 are written in the bracket. So the 5 which is outside will multiply with first numeral and then with second numeral. So 18 multiply 5, then this sign plus will come, then 15 multiply 5. So product will be same in both the sides. If you are adding first 18 plus 15 and then multiplying with 5, and here to the right side 18 multiply 5 plus 15 multiply 5, the product will same in both the sides. Next is for subtraction, if it is 18 minus 15 multiply 5, then 18 multiply 5 minus 15 multiply 5. Both the sides you will get the same result. Next property is a sixth number. When the multiplier is 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000 etc., the product has as many zeros on the right side of the number being multiplied as the multiplier. This type of this property we generally use in our questions. Like 75 multiply 10. So we multiply 75 with 1. 75 ones are 75. Then we will put 0 to the right side of the product. As many zeros means jitni zeros hai. Here 1 0 is there, so we will put 1 0. So 75 multiplied 10 is 750. So this next example, 234 multiply 100. Now 234 multiply 1s are 234. And 2 zeros to the right side of the product. So we will write down these 2 zeros. Now we have our answer 23,400. So if we are getting the multiplication with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like this, then no need to do long multiplication. Orally, this is known as oral multiplication. You can do in this way. Next property number 7. To multiply a number by 2000, 3000 or 4000 etc., we multiply the number by the digit in the thousand place of the multiplier and write 3 zeros on the right side of the product. as we have done in sixth property. 35, see this example, 35 multiply 6000. So we will multiply 35 with 6. Multiply by 1000, because 6000 can be written as 6 multiply 1000. 6000 means 6 multiply 1000. Now 35 6 are 210. 210 multiply 1000. So 210 ones are 210 and put 3 zeros to the right side of the product. So our answer will become 2,10,000. So there is no need to do long multiplication. 35 multiply 6000, then you will multiply it. It is not needed. Orally you can solve like this. Now see this practice question. Find the product. 15 multiply 900. Now you can easily observe that if we multiply 15 with 9, then we will get the product, and with that product to the right side we will write down 2 zeros. So it can be done in the same way as we have discussed the previous property. 15 multiply 900 is written as 15 multiply 9 multiply 100. 15 nines are 135. 135 multiply by 100. So 135 multiply 100 means 135, then 2 zeros to the right side of this product. So we will get our answer 13,500. Right? Now we will discuss properties of division. First property, if we multiply a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. When a number is if we divide a number by 1, the quotient is number itself. When a number is divided by 1, we will get the quotient as the number itself. See this example, 42 divided by 1. 42 को 1 से divide करेंगे, then quotient will be 42 only. Similarly, if you are doing 23 divided by 1, quotient will be 23. If you are dividing 4293 by 1, quotient will be 4293. Whatever number is given will become the quotient only. Next property, if we divide a number by number itself, the quotient is 1. When the number is divided by itself, see this example, 75 divided by 75, and quotient will be 1 only. Right? Next property, division of a number by 0 is meaningless. Keep this thing in your mind. When a number is divided by 0, it has no meaning. 35 divided by 0, no meaning. And now this property, 0, this is property number 4. 0 divided by any number gives 0 as the quotient. It is the reverse of previous property. When 0 is divided by 25, the answer will be, the quotient will be 0 only. Right? It means अगर denominator 0 होगा, then no meaning. अगर numerator 0 होगा, then your answer will be 0. Quotient will be 0. Now let's do next practice question, one we have done previously. Divide and check. You know that checking formula, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now question is here, 46,535 divided by 455. So we have to divide and check our answer. So 46,535 is dividend, 455 is divisor. 455 ones are 455. Now subtract 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 5 1, 4 minus 4 0. 10 is there. Now we will take 3. Now our dividend has become 103. 103 is less than 405. So put 0 in quotient and take next digit. Now the dividend has become 1035. Right? Now we will check in rough column. 455 2s are 910. So we will write down 455 2s are 910. Now subtract 5 minus 0 5, 3 minus 1 2, 10 minus 9 1. Right? We have taken all the digits. So division is stopped here. Quotient is 102. This is known as quotient. Remainder is 125. Now we have to check, is it correct or not? Checking formula, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Divisor 455, quotient 102, remainder 125. Now we will multiply 455 with 102. So 455 multiply 102. 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Now 0 multiply 5, 0. बेटा इस स्टेप में बहुत सारे बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं. When 0 is multiplied, हमने अभी अभी प्रॉपर्टी में सीखा, when 0 is multiplied with any number, the result is 0 only. The product is 0 only. So 0 multiply 5, 0. 0 multiply 5, 0. 0 multiply 4, 0. And here you can write down one cross or you can put 0 also. Because we are multiplying the digit at tens place. That's why ones place we have put the cross sign here. Right? Now we will multiply with 1. So we will put 2 cross at ones place and at a tens place. Now 455 multiplied by 1, you will get 455. We will do addition now. 0. 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 9 plus 5, 14, 4. 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6 and 4 here. So 46,410. Multiplication is done. Now we will add 125. 46,410 plus 125. So we will get 46,535, which is our dividend. So we have checked it. You can write down here hence proved or hence checked. And if you are not getting correct answer, then definitely you have to check your division and then here this multiplication and addition. Next question. A company exported 400 bicycles, the price of each being rupees 8,550. What will be the total price of bicycles exported? एक कंपनी ने 400 bicycles export की. The price of each being, हर bicycle का प्राइस है 8,550. तो हमें टोटल प्राइस निकालना है जितनी bicycles export हुई हैं. So let's start the solution. Price of one bicycle rupees 8,550. Price of 400 bicycles rupees 8,550 multiply by 400. One bicycle का given है 400 का निकालना है. So we will multiply. Now see here, if you are multiplying 8,550 with 4, or you can also multiply 855 with 4 and at last write down 3 zeros in your product. Here I have multiplied 8,550 with 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 0 2 carry, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2 22, 2 carry, 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 2 34. Now you will write on this product here and put 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Now price of 400 bicycles is 34,20,000. Got it? Now next question. In a factory, 16,550 bottles are manufactured in a day. How many bottles will be manufactured in a year? If there are 65 known working days. Beta, I have changed the digits. The question is a practice question. That's why I have changed the digits. The question is given in your book, but the digits are changed now. In a factory, 16,550 bottles are manufactured in a day. एक दिन में एक फैक्ट्री 16,550 bottles मैन्युफैक्चर करती है. तो 65 अगर नॉन वर्किंग डेज हैं तो हाउ मेनी बॉटल्स विल बी मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन द ईयर. साल में कितनी बॉटल्स बनेंगी, मैन्युफैक्चर होंगी अगर 65 नॉन वर्किंग डेज है. 65 डेज में काम नहीं होता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डेज विच आर वर्किंग डेज, जिन दिनों में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हुई. सो नंबर ऑफ डेज इन अ ईयर 365. It is not asked in the question that it is a leap year, so we will take 365. Non-working days इन अ ईयर, जितने दिन काम नहीं हुआ 65. नंबर ऑफ वर्किंग डेज इन अ ईयर, तो 65 वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 365 minus 65, 300 working days are there. In these days, manufacturing of the bottles is done. Now, bottles manufactured in one working day, 16,550. It is given in our question. Bottles manufactured in 300 working days. एक दिन में इतनी बनती है तो 300 में कितनी bottles manufacture होंगी? So we will multiply. 16,550 multiply by 300. So 16,550 multiply by 3. We will do in rough column. 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. 5 1 carry. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 6 1 carry. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 19 9 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 49,650. Now put 2 zeros to the right side of this product because we have left these zeros, so we will write down now. So bottles manufactured in 300 days, 49,65,000. Next practice question is, the product of two numbers is, the product is given to us 4,92,723. If one number is 567, find the other number. We have done this question in addition subtraction also. The sum of two numbers is this. If one number is this, find the other. In that question we have done addition subtraction. Now product is here. So see what is the difference in this. The product of two numbers. दो number का product given है हमें. One number is also given. To find the other number we will do division. How? Let's see. If the product of two numbers is 15. Okay. And if one number is 5, what is the other number? तो हम क्या करेंगे? 15 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. So other number is 3 because 3 into 5 is 15. It means हमने क्या किया? जो one number था उससे product को divide कर दिया. That's why we are doing here. To find the other number we are doing division. Now we will do division. 567 is divisor. And 4,92,723 is dividend. 567 8s are 4,536. 4,927. We can write down 4,536 below this. Okay. Now 7 minus 6 1. 12 minus 3 9. And 8 minus 5 3. 4 minus 4 0. Now we will take next digit 2. Now dividend has become 3,912. 567 6. You can do multiplication in rough column because the number is big, so you can check. 567 6 3,402. 3,912. इसके नीचे हम लिख सकते हैं. Keep the thing in your mind that remainder should not be more than your divisor. Right? Now, do subtraction. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. Take the next digit, 3. 567 9s are 5,103. So, 567 9s are 5,103. Now, remainder is 0. So other number is 869. One number is this, other number is this, and product is this. Clear? Next question. What should be added to? Now here what should be added to? So we have to understand the question. What should be added to? 4,59,686 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 187. इस गिवन न्यूमरल में क्या ऐड किया जाए कि 187 से ये पूरा डिवाइड हो जाए. मीन्स अब ये तो हमें श्योर हो गया कि ये पूरा डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है. डेफिनेटली सम रिमाइंडर इज लेफ्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू नो दैट व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर. रिमाइंडर क्या बच रहा है. राइट. So to find the required number, first we will multiply. No, we will divide. Multiplication we are doing here in rough column, which is needed for the question. So to find the required number, first we will divide to know the remainder. Remainder पता लगाने के लिए हम पहले divide करेंगे. So write down the dividend here. 4,59,686. Divisor 187. 187 and here 459. So 187 twos are 374. Okay, 2 sevens are 14, 4, 1 carry. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, 7 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Multiplication you can do in rough column. Now write here 374, do subtraction. After subtraction you will get 85. Take the next digit 6. Now dividend has become 856. Now check in rough column 856. The number should be either 856 or less than 856. No, very close to 856. So let's check. 187 4s are 748. 187 5s are 935. 935 is more than 856. So we will take 4s are. So write down 4 in quotient and here 748. Now do subtraction. 856 minus 748. You will get 108. Take the next digit 8. Now the dividend has become 1088. 5s are we have done in rough column. 187 5s are 935. So write down 935 here. Now do subtraction. 8 minus 5 3. 8 minus 3 5. 10 minus 9 1. Take the last digit 6. 187 8s are 1496. So write here 1496. Do subtraction. 6 minus 6 0. 13 minus 9 4. 4 minus 4 0. 1 minus 1 0. So remainder is left 40. क्वेश्चन था कि क्या ऐड किया जाए कि ये गिवन डिविडेंड इस डिवाइजर से पूरा डिवाइड हो जाए. मीन्स हमारे पास रिमाइंडर कुछ भी नहीं बचे. रिमाइंडर शुड बी 0. नाउ वी विल चेक दैट 187 minus 40. How much is this? It is 147. 147 should be added. अगर हम 147 को गिवन डिविडेंड में ऐड कर देते हैं तो नंबर कंप्लीटली डिवाइड हो जाएगा, एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड हो जाएगा विदाउट एनी रिमाइंडर. ओके, सो 147 शुड बी एडेड टू 4,59,686 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 187. This sentence is written from question only. Beta, one example is given in your book which I want to explain because when we were doing the chapter I gave this in assignment. Some students were not able to do, so I am going to explain this. The cost of one color TV set is rupees 18,875 and the cost of one DVD player is rupees 10,550. Find the cost of 3 color TV sets and 2 DVD players. Mr. X has only rupees 60,000 with him. How much more money does he need to withdraw from his bank account? एक कलर टीवी की कॉस्ट आपको गिवन है और एक डीवीडी प्लेयर की कॉस्ट गिवन है. कॉस्ट निकालनी है 3 कलर टीवीज एंड 2 डीवीडी प्लेयर्स की. टोटल कॉस्ट आप निकालेंगे. आफ्टर दैट इट इज आस्क्ड मिस्टर एक्स हैज़ रुपीज़ 60,000. मिस्टर एक्स के पास 60,000 रुपीज़ हैं. उसको कितना मनी और बैंक से विथड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा अगर उसे ये चीज़ें परचेज करनी है. ओके, सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 टीवी सेट रुपीज़ 18,875. कॉस्ट ऑफ 3 टीवी सेट्स मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 3 से रुपीज़ 56,625. Cost of 1 DVD player is given rupees 10,550. So cost of 2 DVD players, 2 DVD player purchase करने. So you will multiply rupees. Your answer will be rupees 21,100. total cost of 3 color TV sets and 2 DVD players. Total cost, it means you are going to add these two. After adding you will get rupees 77,725. मिस्टर एक्स के पास कितना मनी है 60,000. तो कितना मनी उसको बैंक से और निकालना है. We will subtract. He should withdraw rupees 77,725 minus rupees 60,000. जितना मनी था उसके ऊपर उसको और अमाउंट भी चाहिए ताकि वो इन चीज़ों को परचेज कर सके. तो उसको मनी बैंक से जो निकालना दैट इज रुपीज 17,725. Understood this question? Now it's homework time. Your homework is do assignment 2 of chapter 3 in practice notebook. Assignment 2 is from multiplication and division and assignment 1 is from addition and subtraction, which was given to you as a homework in previous lecture. That's all for today. I hope you all are revising the topics very carefully and with listening you are doing practice also. ये नहीं कि जो क्वेश्चन मैम ने एक्सप्लेन किए आप उनको सिर्फ सुन रहे हैं वीडियो के थ्रू और कर नहीं रहे. It will be fruitful when you will do these questions in your practice notebook, right? अगर आप करके देखेंगे only then it will help you. Otherwise आपको कहीं ना कहीं confusions रहेंगी. So whatever is explained in the lecture, do that in your practice notebook, and whatever homework is given, that also you have to do in your practice notebook. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.